Program Settings. After powering on, the display screen on the right will show the current program version number. Long press the power button to turn on the computer board. When the screen displays low, it indicates that the fryer is in a low temperature state. Temperature unit settings. Long press the Confirm button. When code appears on the left display screen, enter password 1658. Press the temperature button to enter the temperature unit adjustment. The default unit is Fahrenheit. Press the Confirm button and enter 1658 again to switch to Celsius. Press the temperature button to display the current temperature. Press the temperature button again, and the flashing temperature on the display is the set temperature. Temperature and time settings. Long press Confirm button. The screen displays code. Enter password 1650. Use the 0 to 9 keypad to set the temperature. Press the Confirm button when finished. If no modification is needed, press the Confirm directly. The screen will then display SELP. All the buttons are lighted up. You can choose any of the buttons to modify the corresponding time settings inside. When you press their button, you will enter the hour menu and only the hour button will light up. Then you can set the time of the hour menu. Press Confirm to continue. Duty time settings. Press Confirm to exit. At this point, the hour menu setup is complete, and you can continue setting up other menus. Finally, press the Confirm button to exit the setup. Menu start and stop. When the actual temperature has not yet reached the set temperature, if you want to start the menu, long press the desired menu button to force start. When drop appears on the display, it indicates that the current temperature has reached the set temperature. At this point, you can directly press the menu button to start the menu. If you need to close the menu, you also need to long press the menu button. The menu is successfully closed when the light on the menu button goes out.